Okay, the next question is um, 20th question, which is x integral x plus 2 by square root of 4x minus x square into dx. And this is of the form px plus q into dx by ax square plus bx plus c. So the numerator can be written as a into differentiation of the denominator, a into differentiation of the denominator plus b. Now you simplify it, equate x coefficient of x and constant on both sides and find a and b and substitute back here. Okay. So what do you get? X plus 2 is equal to differentiation of that is 4 minus 2x plus b. Now equate. So these are the important steps in this kind of problems, and the rest of it you can do it easily, as you have already learned it. So this is the thing you are learning new in this method. Okay, so you get it as coefficient of x on the right side is minus 2a, right, and left side it is 1, and you equate the constant 4a plus b is equal to 2. 4a plus b is equal to 2. Now you check up, find out a and b from this. Okay, simplify it and find a and b, and you get. So the next line is, okay, substitute it in equation 1. Okay, so 1 implies x plus 2. X plus 2 is the numerator of the question, right? X plus 2 is equal to a into, that is minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x plus b, that is 4. Now you can copy up the question, therefore integral x plus 2. So this x plus 2, you should replace it by this value, and square root of 4x minus x square into dx, which is equal to integral. In x plus 2 you replace the value. Okay, it is minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x plus 4. In the numerator you replace this value, and 4x minus x square into dx. And now the numerator has two terms, right? Split it. For first term by the denominator, second term by the denominator. For first term by the denominator is 4 minus 2x, that 1 by 2 we took out, by square root of 4x minus x square into dx plus the next one is 4, right? Next term is 4 into dx. For 4 you take both side. So it is dx by square root of 4x minus x square. So in all these kinds of problems, what we have done is we will get the differentiation of the denominator and the numerator, right? But here you have a root square. It is inside the square root, so you have to do it by substitution method. So what you get is you replace it as I1. The first one is I1 and the second integral is I2. Now find out I1 and I2 and substitute back here in the second equation. Now let us take up the I1. Okay, so integral 1 is equal to integral 4 minus 2x by square root of 4x minus x square into dx. And we will write and then we'll see on the screen. Okay, now you have to find the value for it. You substitute 4x minus x square equal to t. Okay, substitute 4x minus x square, you substitute it as t. So differentiate it, what do you get? 4 minus 2x, that is what is in the numerator, dt by dx. So you can replace the numerator by 4 minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. So the new numerator becomes dt and the denominator is square root of t. So that is equal to 2 root 2 root t plus c1, which is equal to 2 times what is 2t, 4x minus x square plus c1. So this is what is integral 1 is. Now let us find integral 2. Okay, I2 is equal to, what is integral 2 dx by completing the square. What do you get? Completing the square. If you want to complete the square, the denominator, the x square term must be positive, right? So you take minus outside, so it becomes minus in x square minus 4x. Now you complete the square for x squared now you complete the square, okay, for minus x minus x square minus 4x. You complete the square, you will get minus 2 square. So minus of x square minus 4x will be 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. Now replace it there. So that is equal to integral dx by, so that is equal to x minus 2 by 2 plus c2. Now you can replace equation 2. So equation 2 becomes, so the final answer is equal to how much by, what is the first equation number 2, minus 1 by 2 into I1, right? Minus 1 by 2 I1 plus 4 I2. So you are getting it as minus 1 by 2. What did we get for I1? Mm, That is equal to so that's all is the answer. Okay. So other problems are of the same pattern, right? So all that you have to do is if it is px plus q by the quadratic equation form, the numerator you have to write as a plus differentiation of the denominator, the quadratic equation in the denominator plus b, and then proceed in the same model. Find a and b, substitute there, replace the numerator, split the integral, and then find the integrals. So in this question, actually, the numerator you don't have px plus q form, so it is just one, right? Dx by. So it is directly completing the square and proceeding. Okay, directly completing the square and proceeding. And if you want to complete the square, you just look into it. Mm, 9x minus 4x square, right? Actually, you have to take out minus 4 because the coefficient of x square should be 1. Okay, so it becomes x square minus 9 by 4, and you'll be completing the square for it like x square minus 9 by 4 x is equal to x square minus 9 by 4 x, and you add and subtract what? Half of 9 by 4, right? What is half of 9 by 4? 9 by 4 whole. So you have to add 9 by 8 the whole square. So it is adding 9 by 8 the whole square and subtracting 9 by 8 the whole square. So we'll be simplifying by combine the first three and the last one separately and then find the answer. You will be getting what? You will be getting x minus 9 by 8 the whole square minus 9 by 8 the whole square. Yeah, now you can replace it here. So you get it as integral dx by square root of, that is equal to integral dx by mm, actually this 4 you can take outside and the minus square root. When you take 4 outside the square root it becomes 2, right? So it is 2 into square root of minus of minus of x square minus 9 by 4x. And the thing is, you got this term to be this, right? So you, what will be minus of that term? Minus of x square minus 9 by 4 x is equal to 9 by 8 the whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 the whole square. So you are getting it as Substitute here square root of 9 by 8 the whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 x minus 9 by 8 the whole square. Either you can substitute d and proceed, or even directly you can write the answer. Page number 308, you have all the formulas of the form dx by square root of a square minus x square, dx by square root of x square minus. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 into, directly you apply the formula. Turn page number 308 and recall all the formula and learn it thoroughly. Okay, x minus, so it is x by a plus c, sin inverse x by a plus c, that is equal to 1 by 2 sin inverse 8x minus 9 by 8 into 8 by 9. 8 and 8 gets cancelled, you get 1 by 2 sin inverse 8x minus 9 by 9 plus b. Okay, that's all. So almost all the problems are the same model, and you take time to learn and work out and get thorough with it. Thank you.